What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning R programming language. My name is QD Danny and you guys watching my channel Crywood. Alright, so this is our second video in learning R. So we go ahead and look at the small example. This guy here is Lee Sedol in 2016. This guy is a professional Go player. He's a Korean, born 2nd of March 1983. Lee Sedol is a former South Korean professional Go player of 9 Dan rank. So this is a Go. It's a very complex game. So Go or Wiki is an abstract strategy board game for two players in which the aim is to surround more territory than the opponent. The game was invented in China more than 2,500 years ago and is believed to be the oldest board game. Okay, so this is the introduction of Go, and this got a lot of moves, and this guy was undefeated Go player and become a professional Go player in South Korean history behind this guy Cho Ho-yoon, and 9 years and 7 months, and behind this guy is 11 years, and because all the champions in a Go player. So if you guys don't know Go, that was the introduction of Go. In March 2016, he plays a notable series of matches against AlphaGo that ended in 1-4. Alright, so now we're coming to AlphaGo. What is AlphaGo? AlphaGo is a computer program that plays board game Go. So it's artificial intelligence. It's a computer program. It was developed by DeepMind Technologies subsidiary of Google. So there is DeepMind. I'm gonna go ahead now here. That was developed inside. That was inside the Google, which developed this software. So, and as a result, this AlphaGo beat this guy, the world champion, for many years. And this AlphaGo, which is developed by Google's DeepMind, beat this guy 1-4. So imagine how powerful is that. And as a result, this guy retired, so he's not playing anymore because he lost to the Google artificial intelligence. It's called AlphaGo. Alright, so now you guys seen here, that's a Go, and you guys, if you guys want to come here and study more about the Go, you guys champion by all means. So this is the very complex game, and you guys see here there are a lot of moves. Alright, so AlphaGo, a powerful artificial intelligence system, like as I said, built by Google, defeated Lee Sedol, the world's best player of Go. Okay, AlphaGo's victory was made possible by clever machine intelligence, which processed a data cloud of 30 million moves. So this AlphaGo is made of which processed a data cloud of 30 million moves and played thousands of games against itself, learning each time a bit more about how to improve performance. A learning mechanism therefore can process enormous amount of data and improve their performance by analyzing their own output as input for the next operation through machine learning. Alright, as we said before, you guys using R, we use R for machine learning, and this is the website of the Google DeepMind. .com. AlphaGo is the first computer program to defeat a professional human Go player, the first to defeat a Go world champion, and is arguably the strongest Go player in history. So this AlphaGo is an artificial intelligence by Google, which is defeated this guy, the first, and this was the biggest, the strongest, the first to defeat a Go world champion, and is arguably the strongest Go player in history. So imagine this artificial intelligence is very powerful. Go is known as the most challenging classical game for artificial intelligence because of its complexity. Okay, so this is the team of the Google's artificial intelligence team. So they built these systems. Okay, what is Go? Go originated in China over 3,000 years ago. Winning the board game requires multiple player of strategic thinking. The two players thinking. So this is the Google's. If you guys want to come here and do your research on the Google's DeepMind, you are more than welcome. This is the software. This is the website. And two players using either white or black stones take turns playing their stones on a board. The goal is to surround and capture the opponent's stones and or strategically create spaces of territory. Once all possible moves have been played, both stones on the board and the empty points are tell it, and the higher number wins. Okay, so that's how you guys play this game. Okay, so just let you guys know that there is a movie also there. It's AlphaGo, the movie, because it's artificial intelligence. Okay, I thought AlphaGo was based on probability calculation and that it was merely a machine, but when I saw this movie, I changed my mind. Surely AlphaGo is a creative, Lee Sedol. Okay, so this guy is, that's his words. That's what this guy said. Winner of 18-volt Go titles. So that's what this guy said about the AlphaGo. Okay, so this is a brief introduction of AlphaGo, and you guys, if you guys wants to know, you guys can come here and you guys read more. But because our tutorials about R programming language, and we want to teach machine learning in R, so first we want to teach you guys to have a good grip on machine learning. So after that, then we're gonna come here and show you guys how to do machine learning in Go programming language, sorry, in R programming language. So that was a brief introduction about machine learning, and if you guys are interested more to learn more about machine learning, you're more than welcome. We're going to make another series of machine learning in general, and we're gonna go ahead step by step and see what machine learning is. Alright, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.